Hello, my name is Frank from Totally Foodies, and today I'll be making a grilled cheese sandwich. There's nothing special about this grilled cheese sandwich, so let's get down to how you can make it. For this sandwich, you'll need 2 pieces of white sandwich bread, some cheese. I'm using a white American cheese single, and a little bit of butter. First, we're going to butter the outside of both pieces of bread. This is so it doesn't stick to the pan when we fry it. You're actually gonna put the butter on the outside of the bread, and the cheese will go in between the two. So you can see, you just gotta stack it up, and then next we're going to fry it in a pan. We're just gonna give it a flip once it's done, get a beautiful brown crust on both sides. I'm say maybe about a minute or 2 each side. And I can fail at getting a beautiful cheese stretch, but that doesn't matter because this grilled cheese is cooked perfect. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.